Welcome to the new era of web development, where you're gonna learn how to use free front-end skills and AI tools to empower your designs. With the power of Vercel's V0 and ChatGPT, you will be able to build almost anything you want. You can take inspiration from any web design you like, and AI will match your favorite website's design almost perfectly. After completing this course, you will be literally be able to build any website's design. Here is a quick heads up. Make sure you are only taking inspiration from a website's design and not the content. This means only copying the layout, colors, and design elements, but not the text, images, or videos. This is super important. We will be using Next.js, Tailwind CSS, TypeScript, and shared CN UI for this project. By the end of the first section and the second section, you will gain some experience using Tailwind CSS and Next.js, and finally shared CN UI. And we will build an e-commerce front-end design from scratch. If you are excited and love building websites from the ground up, you will love section number 1 and 2. In the third section, here is the juicy part of the course. You will rebuild the same website we created in section number 1 and 2, but this time we will be using the magic of AI. You will see how with just a few high quality prompts, AI can generate the front end in a fraction of time, and the results will amaze you. We will create great prompts for the AI tools to generate high quality code. But keep in mind, this course isn't for people with zero coding experience. It's perfect for beginners with some knowledge, mid-level coders, and professionals. And remember, AI is just a tool that helps you generate high quality code in less time. By the end of this course, you will know how to give perfect prompts to both free AI tools, and Vercel's V0 will gives you 10 free credits every day. Each credit counts as one prompt, and 10 credits a day is more than enough for us. By the end, you will literally be able to design any website you want in less time with perfect code, all while staying within your budget. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all guys, we are going to build a template from the scratch without using any artificial intelligence tools. We are going to build this entire website manually. So we are going to replace these images with our images, and after that we are going to convert this theme to our actual website like this. So if you can see, we are going to replace these 4 images with these 4 images, and we are going to see these special combos, these images, these texts like that, these bestsellers like that. So after that, on our third section of this course, we are going to build this website which was created by artificial intelligence. We are going to ask artificial intelligence to create this website. So this is the thing you are going to see which was given by the artificial intelligence, the home page and so many. So on our third section, we are going to build the entire website using artificial intelligence. As you can see, it was exactly matching the styles and the layout as you can see on this website. So we have taken inspiration from our website and we have built this website using artificial intelligence. So on the next lecture, we are going to see the demo of these entire 3 websites. See you there guys.